All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for my new subscribers, my new viewers. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you. And anyways, today I am going to show you how to simply deploy Aspnetcore to Heroku. It's simple, very fast, easy, not much to it. So let me show you guys how it's done. So currently I'm running my application here on my local machine. It's nothing crazy. It's just a simple web application. This one here, this is all my videos. It's connected to the YouTube through an API. So whatever I deploy, it comes also, you can actually see it here. Okay, so that's the application. And it's just a basic, okay. Anyways, my main focus is show you guys how to deploy it to Heroku. So here, you guys are going to have to create an account to Heroku, and you guys are going to have to go to the dashboard. Once you create an account, you're going to go to create a new app. I'm going to call mine, I create size for you. You can call it whatever you want. So once it gets created, you're going to have to log in. You're going to have to download the Heroku CLI into your machine. I have it ready. And then you're going to have to open up your CDN, which is, yes, your command prompt, and then CDN to the wherever file you have your .NET Core application running. So mine is in my repos. So I have that. So once you have that, you want to go ahead and log in. So you want to go to Heroku, log in, and I'm gonna hit enter just to confirm I'm logged in, that it's me. So then I'm going to go back here. See, I'm logged in now. So once you log in, the next thing I want to do is, before I start getting into this, let me go ahead and let me open this up. Let me open it side to side. Okay, cool. So I have that. So the next step is you got to CD into your project, and you got to do git init, initialize, and then you want to connect remote wise. So you want to copy this. Okay, and then in order for you to deploy Aspnetcore application to Heroku, you have to get a Buildpack, which is, go ahead and close that. It's right here. So you're gonna have to get a Buildpack. So you have to go here where it says Buildpack by Heroku. So here you will have to go. I use it .NET Core. It's not, mine is not new release, so you have to look for which one you have in your machine. So mine is this one, and I'm going to go ahead and go copy it. All right, cool. So now the next thing I want to do is go back to the Heroku dashboard, and I am going to go to my resource, because you have to download, you have to look for using PostgreSQL, which is right here. Progress Heroku, yeah, Progress. This is a free one. See, it says Hobby Dev. It gives you options, you know, if you want to pick for basic, standard. So I'm just gonna pick the free one just for me to show you guys that it is free. So once I create that, you want to click on that. And what you want to do is you want to get your credentials. Once you go to settings, see it says view credentials, and these credentials you want to go into your application. And what you want to do is you want to copy it into your app settings for the application to work if you're using a database. So you want to go here. This is my Aspnetcore core. This is, you got to make sure, see where it says default connection. This got to match. This has to match this here. All of this here. Don't worry, I'm going to delete it after. So because you guys have to create your own. I'm going to delete it so you guys won't be able to access my personal stuff. But this is just for the demo. So anyways, this has to match this here. All right. So don't worry, I will leave the description how to do the default connection into the on the bottom of the video. And also, you guys, once you do the default connection, make sure you download. You got to go to tools, and you got to go to manage NuGet package, and you got to install. You got to install your Progress. Yeah, this one here. It's called PostgreSQL Entity Framework. Make sure you download it. Once you do that, then you're good to go. All right, so mine's already installed. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy all these, the hose and all of that. And so I'm gonna pause the video for a second so I can go ahead and copy that. All right, so I have all my info there. So the next thing I want to go back to not deploy. I'm going to go back to, yeah, deploy. I'm going to go back over here, follow the steps again. And the next thing to do now that, oh, you got to make sure you have your, go back to settings. You got to make sure you have the database. So when you go here, it says reveal configuration bars. See, I have the database. Okay, so mine is there. Mine is there. Cool. Now that I have that, I'm gonna go ahead and deploy it. So once you do that, it says git push Heroku main. I'm gonna go ahead and deploy that. Git push Heroku. Actually, it's going to be master. See how it's deploying? It's going and going. All right, so it's going to take a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. All right, guys. So it has built, and you guys can, if everything went through, it actually you can actually look at the data, how it says remote. It pushed all the data into the server. And if there's any errors, sometimes it comes up there. See, everything went well. So now I can go and check it to make sure it actually deployed it. So I'm going to go here. It says I create. All right, it's live. See, it's working. Cool. Let me make sure the pages are working. Contact, home. Yeah, it's working. Cool. All right. It is working. And let me see the register. Yeah, it's working. Cool. All right, guys. See how simple and easy. So remember, I'm gonna leave the connection string for how to connect to the to PostgreSQL, how to actually do the connection string on the bottom of the video. And then I'll leave also the link of the website so you guys can go and check it out there. All right, so stay tuned for more. Thank you guys for my new viewers, my new subscribers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and then stay tuned for more videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.
Daddy.